Hello there, kindergartners, first graders, second graders, and their parents. I'm Miss Hess. I'm your librarian here at Wiesbaden Elementary School, and today this is a tutorial video to teach you how to access MackinVIA.com from home. MackinVIA.com is an amazing site for all of our electronic resources. It really has some good stuff on MackinVIA.com. So this is the process that you go through, okay? So first of all, you just type MackinVIA.com in your URL, and that's M-A-C-K-I-N, MackinVIA.com. It will bring you here. We have changed to Wiesbaden Elementary School this year, so if you search by Heidelberg, you won't find us. So when you start typing Wiesbaden, once you get to the S, it will autofill for you. You choose Wiesbaden Elementary, log in, and we are going to use the right-hand side. So we are using what is called an Aspen standard name with some numbers, and the same thing in the password with some numbers. Where are you going to get that from, you're wondering? From your classroom teacher. This is the same sign-in process that they use with the kids to even get into the computers at all. So they will be familiar with this process, hopefully. Okay, so for me, if I were a student, I'm going to pretend. Okay, so it's the first letter of their name, and then the first 3 letters of their last name. So I'm Julie Hess, so that would be my 4 letters that I would use. And then there will be the last 4 of their student number. It's not really, I don't really have a student number. And then their password would be those 4 numbers that we used up there. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you would hit submit. And that won't work because I'm not a student, but then it would take you to this page. This is the Wiesbaden Elementary landing page. Okay, and it is a wonderful site. Today, I would like to show you, you can kind of explore over here. There's a lot of really good stuff to include electronic books that the kids can check out. Okay, but today I would just like to show you the databases page. Okay. That did something weird for, just ignore this part. Okay, I have to get back in MackinVIA. It just knocked me out. Hopefully it'll work better for you. Okay. No problem. Okay, so I'm going to go to the databases to show you what we have there. We have 27 different databases, and in the middle of each resource, it will give you a description about what this database is about. Okay, I will go through slowly so as to not make you feel motion sick. Okay, we have Britannica School Edition, which is wonderful. That's like an electronic encyclopedia. Spanish. There's lots of different science in here. National Geographic Kids. I mean, just tons and tons of resources. I want to take you to the bottom of the page, and I want to load the final 2, okay, and just show you this Tumble Books, Tumble Premium. This is a site that will read your children electronic books, and it's like live, it's entertaining, it highlights the words as they're read. An excellent site. I'm not going to take the time to demonstrate it for you. I will let you explore that. That's Tumble Premium. That's at the very bottom of the databases. Okay? So any of those you can open now to explore. Then I'm going to take us back up here and show you one other really cool link over here under links, sure enough, on these choices. Go to links, and I would like to tell you about BookFlix and TrueFlix. These are Scholastic websites. It tells you the username and password. Okay, awesome. So Bookflix has both fiction and nonfiction books. The kids get choices in it. It's just like Tumble Books in that it will read for them, or they can read on their own. You have that option. Wonderful, wonderful sites. And then the TrueFlix are all nonfiction books. Okay, different topics. Really, really great resources for beginning readers. So please do look at these sites, okay? And anytime that you're in MackinVIA, you should definitely dig around and see what you can find, but really good stuff. All right, that is your MackinVIA login process. Remember, you will have to get that Aspen name and the numbers from your classroom teacher, and then you'll be able to sign in with your child at home. All right? All right, I wish you all the best, and I hope to see everyone soon. Bye, everybody.